guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be making some little press-on nails for myself. So I'm just going to be sticking these on with super glue just while I do the design. But what it is, I know what Christmas nails I want to do this year, and I don't really want to do my Christmas nails just yet. It's a little bit too soon. See, by the time Christmas comes, they're going to be really badly grown out. But if I was to do a full set on myself now, I know full well when it comes time to do my Christmas nails, I'm not going to want to remove the nails and do a whole new full set. And these Christmas nails need to be a new set. So they can't be an infill, they can't be a redesign, they need to be a new set. And when I do these nails and you see them, you'll know why. I'll explain why, but you'll see why anyway. So yeah, I thought until I'm ready to do my Christmas nails, I'm going to make a couple of little sets of press-ons for myself. So that's what we're doing today. So this is my first Christmassy winter set of 2022. I've been dying to start doing Christmas and winter sets. I love this time of year for nail designs. So I'm going to be using all Madam Glam products today. And the first product I'm going to be using is the Laos, which is the Madam Glam's rubber base coat. Love this colour, guys. It's a really, really nice base colour. So I'm going to pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds and then I shall give them a second coat off camera. So this is the Madam Glam's clear base coat, and I'm going to apply a coat of that on this ring finger. Now I'm not going to cure that, and then into that uncured base coat I'm going to have a little bit of this HCS Violet Crush and a little bit of this Colours World glitter. This is a gorgeous glitter, guys. One of my favourite collections this is. There's 12 colours in this collection and they're all matte hexes with silver leaf running through them. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful collection. Now, I don't want a lot of glitter on this nail. I just want to pick little bits out with my detailer brush. I'm also going to add a couple of these snowflakes as well. Just like that. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds and that's going to hold all that glitter in place. So now I'm going to use the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. And I'm just going to go over that ring fingernail with a really nice, thick, generous coat. And then I want to buff that once it's cured, because I want to make it really nice and smooth, because I'm going to be doing some artwork over the top of that, and that's going to be impossible if it's all lumpy bumpy. Flip it upside down and then pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using Madam Glam's Lavender Springs. I'm going to pop a little bit of that on my palette. I'm using the Madam Glam's striping brush. I'm going to paint a nail bed. Then I'm going to do the same on the pinky nail. Then on the middle nail, I'm just going to paint a little purple strip. And then lastly on this ring fingernail, I'm just going to paint the tip. Right, so I'm going to cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now I'm using the Madam Glam's Brown Gel Paint and the Madam Glam's Detail Liner Brush. I'm going to paint a cute little reindeer. Right, so I'm going to quickly give that a flash cure in the lamp. Now I'm going to use Naked Guy, and all I'm going to do is pop a little blob of that just there. Just like that. And then with my detailer brush, I'm just going to fill that area in. This is why I wasn't too worried about that outline being super neat, guys. Because Madam Glam gels are super opaque, it's covering straight over that outline where it wasn't neat. Give that a quick flash cure. Now I've pulled out Are We Lost? Then I'm going to do the same again, just a little blob in that top area there. And then I'm just going to fill this top section in with this Are We Lost? I'm not really keen on that colour, you know. I wonder if I mix. Yeah, this We Were On a Break is a little bit too dark, so I didn't want to use that on its own. But I'm wondering if I mix the two together, if it's going to give me the kind of colour that I want. I'm just going to give that a flash cure again, guys. So now I've pulled out the Madam Glam's red gel paint. And we're going to turn him into Rudolph. Give that a quick cure. Now I'm using the Madam Glam's white gel paint. And I'm going to use the small end of the dotting tool to do his little eyes. Right, put that in the lamp to cure. Now I'm using the Madam Glam's black gel paint. I'm just going to give him some pupils. So now what we're going to do is antlers, and I'm using the We Were On a Break to do these. So I'm using that Lavender Springs again, and I'm going to paint some sweater print. So I'm going to do that on the purple area of this middle nail, and I'm also going to do it on that purple area of the ring fingernail as well. And then I'm getting some clear acrylic powder. I'm going to sprinkle that into that uncured Lavender Springs. Leave it a second just to soak in. over it again just to make sure you've got it all. I'm going to pop that in the lamp. I'm going to give that a double cure, guys, so I'm going to give that a 60-second cure. Just want to make sure that cures through that acrylic powder. Now on these two outer nails on the purple areas, I'm going to be painting half a snowflake. Now these snowflakes, guys, are the easiest snowflakes I've ever painted in my life. So using the dotting tool, I do 3 dots going downwards, 3 dots going left, 3 dots going right, and then 1 dot between those, like that. And all you do is you pull through. Pull down. Pull through. And pull through. That's one snowflake done. So this one is going to be the exact same. So that's the snowflakes done. Right, so I'm going to now give them a cure. Right, so now they are ready for top coat. And I'm going to give these a velvet matte top coat. Oh, you know what I've done, don't you guys? Shoot. You know the sweater print? I was meant to do that after the top coat. Right, I can do this one again. I might just top coat up to there instead on that one. I can get around it. It's okay. It's not too much of a boo-boo. So I'm using the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. My favourite matte top coat ever. And then into that uncured top coat, I'm just going to stick a couple of AB crystals. And then cure them for 30 seconds. So there we are, guys. That is them all finished. What do you think? I think they are so cute. They're so cute. I love that Lavender Springs purple. It's a really, really nice purple, isn't it? Beautiful coloured purple. And my little reindeer, he's a proper little cutie. So everything that I've used today, guys, I'm going to leave listed in my description box below. I've also got a Madam Glam discount code as well. You'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is GG30. Pop that in at checkout to save yourself a massive 30% off the website. I shall leave their website link pinged in my comments. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.